Hello, students. The Indian Parliament is a bicameral legislature. In the previous classes, we were discussing about the composition and qualification for being the members of Lok Sabha. Today, we are going to study about the second house of the Union Parliament, that is Rajya Sabha. Following are the important points we have to study about Rajya Sabha, the composition of Rajya Sabha, the qualification for being a member of Rajya Sabha, the term of the member of Rajya Sabha, the election of the members, and the presiding officers. Let us study about these important points. Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the parliament. We studied already that Indian parliament has two houses, Lok Sabha, that is the lower house of the parliament, and Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the parliament. The upper house of the parliament, Rajya Sabha, is also known as the Council of States. This house is a permanent house. Unlike Lok Sabha, it cannot be dissolved. Lok Sabha can be dissolved after completing its normal term of 5 years, or if a no confidence motion is passed against the Council of Ministers, the Lok Sabha will be dissolved. But Rajya Sabha is a permanent house. It cannot be dissolved in any circumstances. The members of Rajya Sabha are elected for a period of 6 years. This is an important point, frequently asking question for the board examination. The term of office of a member of Rajya Sabha is 6 years. The members of Rajya Sabha are elected by MLAs of the states and the union territories. The members of Lok Sabha are elected directly by the people of the country. We studied that 552 members are there in Lok Sabha. Out of this 552, around 550 members are directly elected by the people of the country. But Rajya Sabha members are not directly elected by the people, they are elected by the representatives of the people, the MLAs of various states and union territories. We studied that Rajya Sabha is a permanent house and normal term of office of a member of Rajya Sabha is 6 years. So in every 2 years, 1/3 of the total members of the house will get retired. Suppose if 1/3 of the members are getting retired in the year 2020, the same number of members will be elected in 2020 and they can remain in office till 2026. In 2022, another 1/3 of the members will get retired and the same number of members will be elected and they can be in power till 2028. Then after 2 years in 2024, 1/3 of the members will retire and the same number of members will be elected, and they can be in power till 2030. In this way, the members are getting retired and getting elected. All of a sudden, the total number of members will not get retired. That is why Rajya Sabha is called a permanent house. One of the main differences between Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha is this point. Rajya Sabha is a permanent house, whereas Lok Sabha can be dissolved. Now the next topic is composition of Rajya Sabha. The maximum numerical strength of Rajya Sabha is 250. Out of this 250, 238 members are elected from union territories and states. The states and union territories are not sending the same number of representatives. Big states and more populated states are sending more representatives, whereas small states are sending less number of representatives. So the population is the criteria for getting participation for various states. Remaining 12 members. Out of 250, 238 members are elected from union territories and states. Remaining 12 members are nominated members. These 12 members are nominated by the President of India from various fields like literature, science, sports, arts, etc. Some of the prominent personalities like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Sachin Tendulkar, Hema Malini, all were nominated representatives to the Rajya Sabha in the past. So regarding the composition, 3 numbers you have to remember. Maximum numerical strength of Rajya Sabha is 250. Out of 250, 238 members are elected from union territories and states, and 12 members are nominated by the President from various fields like literature, science, sports, arts, etc. Next topic is the presiding officer. The presiding officer of Rajya Sabha is the Vice President of India. We studied about the presiding officer of Lok Sabha. The presiding officer of Lok Sabha is the Speaker. The Rajya Sabha presiding officer of Rajya Sabha has the same functions as the presiding officer of Lok Sabha. He presides over the meetings of Rajya Sabha. One of his important duty is to maintain discipline in the house. Along with this presiding officer, among from the members of Rajya Sabha, a deputy chairperson will be elected. This deputy chairperson or deputy chairman will perform the functions of the chairman in his absence. So this is the point you have to remember regarding the presiding officer of Rajya Sabha. The presiding officer of Rajya Sabha is Vice President. In the absence of the Vice President, a deputy chairperson will be there. He will perform the functions of the Vice President of India. Next topic is qualification for being a member of Rajya Sabha. For being a member of Rajya Sabha, a person should have the following qualifications. We studied about the qualification for being a member of Lok Sabha. Almost all the qualifications are same except one. The age is different for being a member of Rajya Sabha. So following are the qualification for being a member of Rajya Sabha. The first one, he or she should be a citizen of India. Only Indian citizens can become the members of Rajya Sabha. The second one, he or she should be at least 30 years of age. The minimum age for being a member of Rajya Sabha is 30 years. Third one, he or she should have his or her name in the electoral rolls in some part of the country. That means the person who wanted to become a member of Rajya Sabha should be a registered voter. Fourth one, he or she should not be an insolvent. The person should have the capacity to fulfill his financial responsibilities. The next point, he or she should not hold any office of profit under the government. Government employees cannot become the member of Rajya Sabha. Once he wanted to become a member of Rajya Sabha, first he has to resign his job. Next point, he or she should not be a proclaimed criminal. Criminals cannot become the members of Rajya Sabha. And the last qualification, he or she should not be of unsound mind. He or she should be mentally fit. These were some of the qualifications for being a member of Rajya Sabha. Then last topic is a comparison between Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. It is not in the syllabus, but for a better understanding, you have to remember the points of difference. First one, Lok Sabha, it is the lower house of the parliament, whereas Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the parliament. Second one, regarding the numerical strength, Lok Sabha strength is 552, whereas strength of Rajya Sabha is 250. Third one, regarding the manner of electing the members. The members of Lok Sabha are elected directly by the people, whereas the members of Rajya Sabha are elected indirectly by the MLAs of the states and union territories. For the difference regarding the presiding officers, Speaker is the presiding officer of Lok Sabha and Vice President is the presiding officer of Rajya Sabha. Then next difference, fifth one is regarding the term of office. Members of Lok Sabha are elected for a period of 5 years, whereas the members of Rajya Sabha are elected for a period of 6 years. The last one, Lok Sabha can be dissolved. It can be dissolved after completing the normal time of 5 years, or if a motion of no confidence is passed against the Council of Ministers. But Rajya Sabha is a permanent house. It cannot be dissolved in any of the circumstances. So this is the end of this topic. Then one more video will be uploaded from this chapter as per the new syllabus, revised syllabus. Some topics of the chapter it is given in under the heading is removed. In the next video, I will upload what is the syllabus, the new syllabus, revised syllabus, and this will be the last chapter for the first semester examination. For the first semester examination, we will have 4 history chapters and this civics chapter. Thank you.